In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Jotform to Excel. This is really useful if you want to analyze your form responses, share them with your team, or just keep a clean record of your data on your own computer. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to download your submissions as an Excel file. First, go ahead and log into your Jotform account using your usual credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard where all your forms are listed. Take a moment to find the specific form whose responses you want to export. If you have a lot of forms, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly locate it by name. When you see the form you want, move your mouse over that form in the list. As you hover over it, you'll notice some options appear on the right side. Look for the option labeled More and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with several choices. From that menu, select Submissions. After you click Submissions, Jotform will open a new page. This page looks like a spreadsheet and it contains all the responses that have been submitted through that form. Each row represents a single submission, and each column corresponds to a question or field from your form. Take a quick look to confirm that these are the responses you want to export. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the submissions page. You should see a button that says something like Download All. Click on that button and a drop-down menu will appear with different file format options. From this list, choose Download as Excel. Once you select Download as Excel, Jotform will start preparing your file. Depending on how many submissions you have, this might take a few seconds. Just wait for the download to begin automatically. When it's finished, your browser will save the file, usually in your computer's default downloads folder. To wrap up, open your downloads folder and look for the newly downloaded Excel file. You can rename it to something more descriptive if you like, then open it with Excel or any compatible spreadsheet program. From there, you're ready to sort, filter, analyze, or share your form data however you need.